guys, this is Rimza. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share some cool art hacks and tricks with you that will help you get the most out of your art supplies. We all know that art supplies can be expensive, and sometimes it feels like our tools run out or dry up way too fast. But don't worry, I've got your back, so let's dive right in. We've all been there. You're in the middle of a drawing and bam! Your favorite marker decides to call it quits. But wait, don't toss that marker just yet. Let me tell you about a little magic trick I use to bring them back from the dead. It's called rubbing alcohol. Yes, you heard that right. Simply grab a small container, pour in a little bit of rubbing alcohol, just enough to cover the tip of the marker, and let it soak for a few minutes. After a few minutes, take the marker out and give it a test run on a piece of scrap paper. You'll be amazed at how easily the ink flows again. This trick works for most types of markers, so you can revive your entire collection. Whether it's a permanent marker, a highlighter, or even a whiteboard marker, this method can work wonders. Imagine the money you'll save by not having to constantly buy new markers. Plus, it's an eco-friendly solution that reduces waste. So next time your marker runs dry, remember this simple trick. Happy drawing and keep those creative juices flowing. Don't forget to share this tip with your fellow artists and subscribe for more creative hacks. Who needs fancy art supply stores when you can create your own unique art tools right at home? Today, I'm going to show you how to turn everyday objects into awesome textured brushes. First up, let's talk about those old splayed-out brushes. Don't throw them away. They're perfect for creating amazing textured effects. You can use scissors to carefully cut patterns into the bristles, creating unique shapes and textures. Want to add a bit of rough texture to your rocks? Cut the bristles into short, uneven lengths. You can also use household items like sponges and combs to create your own DIY textured brushes. Experiment with different materials and techniques to discover your own unique style. Don't be afraid to get messy and have fun with it. Let's face it, art supplies can be expensive, especially those beautiful, vibrant paints that we all love so much. Whether you're a professional artist or a hobbyist, the cost of paints can add up quickly. But what if I told you that there are simple tricks to make your paints last longer? That's right! You can keep your acrylics and watercolors fresh and vibrant with just a few easy steps. Not only will this save you money, but it will also ensure that your artwork always looks its best. For acrylic paints, store them in airtight containers and use a wet palette to keep them from drying out too quickly. A wet palette is a game changer, as it maintains the moisture of your paints, allowing you to work with them for longer periods without them drying up. For watercolors, prevent the pans from being exposed to air for too long. Exposure to air can cause the paints to harden and become difficult to work with. Wipe down the pans with a damp cloth and close the lid tightly after each use. This simple step can make a big difference in keeping your watercolors in top condition. If you live in a dry climate, place a damp paper towel inside the watercolor tin to add extra moisture. This trick helps to maintain the right level of humidity, preventing your paints from drying out too quickly. By following these simple storage tips, you can significantly extend the life of your paints, saving you money and reducing waste. Proper storage not only preserves the quality of your paints, but also keeps your workspace organized and efficient. Well-maintained paints will reward you with vibrant colors and smoother application. Your artwork will benefit from the consistency and quality of paints that are properly cared for, allowing you to create masterpieces with ease. We've all been there. You're working on a beautiful pencil drawing, carefully shading in details, meticulously adding depth and texture to bring your vision to life. When suddenly, you notice a dark smudge right across your artwork. It's disheartening to see your hard work marred by an unexpected blemish. Those pesky pencil smudges can be so frustrating. They can ruin hours of effort and make your drawing look untidy. But don't worry, I'm here to share a simple yet effective solution that will banish those smudges forever. You won't have to worry about them again. The secret weapon in our fight against smudges is a piece of scrap paper. Yes, it's that simple. This humble tool can make a world of difference. Place a clean sheet of scrap paper under your hand while shading or blending to prevent oils and sweat from your skin from transferring onto your artwork. This barrier keeps your drawing pristine. For finished drawings, use a fixative spray to protect your artwork from smudging, fading, and other environmental damage. This will ensure your masterpiece remains intact for years to come. Next time you're working on a pencil drawing, keep a piece of scrap paper handy and say goodbye to those annoying smudges. With this simple trick, your drawings will stay clean and beautiful. Have you ever tried to cut something with dull scissors? It's a frustrating experience. Instead of making clean, precise cuts, you're left with jagged edges and a sense of defeat. But don't worry, you don't need to replace your scissors every time they start to dull. With this simple hack, you can sharpen them up and extend their lifespan. All you need is a piece of aluminum foil. Fold it several times to create a thick strip, then cut through it with your scissors. As you cut through the foil, it will create microscopic abrasions on the blades, which helps to sharpen them. Next time your scissors start to feel a little dull, don't throw them away. Just grab some aluminum foil and give them a quick sharpening. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found these art tool hacks useful. Remember, being an artist is all about resourcefulness and finding creative solutions. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share it with your fellow artists. Subscribe to my channel for more creative tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.